Hi there, welcome to BI Consulting Pro. My name is Ajay Kumar and I'm Microsoft MVP and Microsoft Certified Trainer. If you are watching this video, that means either you want to learn Microsoft Power BI or you would like to become Microsoft Certified Data Analyst. Well, either in the case, you are at the right place. I have already created PL300 tutorial series where you are going to find all the different tutorials, required links, sample question and answers, and everything else that you need to clear your PL300 certification exam. You would also find this page link under the video sections where you are going to get to know all the documentation provided by Microsoft to clear this certification exam. If you would like to see the skill measured, here you can see you are going to be measured on prepare the data, model the data, visualize and analyze the data, and also deploy and maintain the assets. You would like to see the exam course fees over there, you can select your country and you can get to know. And if you would like to schedule your exam, you can schedule it from here. Not only that, if you would like to see some of the videos regarding this PL300 certification exam prepared by Microsoft, you can do it from here. You can also do a demo by launching this sandbox from here. And in case you would like to take a practice test, you can do it from this link. Now, you already know that how you are going to prepare for your exam. But you should also know that PL300 exam is used to be known as DA100 exam. And that time it used to be known as Data Analyst Associate Certification exam, not a Power BI Data Analyst exam. When it was into that phase, that time we created all the videos. That's why you are going to get to know that all the videos are being mentioned as DA100 exam, not PL300 exam. But you don't need to worry about that. The syllabus is more or like the same. However, wherever we were missing some of the items or the course one, we have already created all those videos. And in the future as well, whenever there would be a new topic is going to be added over there, we are going to add into this tutorial series. So be rest assured, you are going to be well covered. And this is completely free of cost. What you have to do, you have to simply subscribe to this channel, thumbs up the video, share with your friends or any other colleague who would like to learn Microsoft Power BI. That's all we need from your side. And if you have any question and concern, then you can also reply in the comment section over there. There's one more important thing for you. And what's that? Well, most of the time, people ask me that I'm a fresher. Can I appear for this certification exam? Well, if you either are a fresher or you have experience in any other domain, but you now want to become a data analyst, in that case, first, I'll recommend you to practice Microsoft Power BI. You can learn from this entire tutorial that we have created for you, and many other videos are on our BI Consulting Pro YouTube channel where you can take the advantage of. And then only appear for this certification exam. You can practice DAX, you can practice row-level security, how to create a dashboard, how to create a service account on Power BI Service Portal and start utilizing 60 days free trial period where you can also use the premium features. You can use the Microsoft Fabric. Everything you can get to know. First of all, if you would like to experience the Power BI service, you have to go on powerbi.com and there you have to sign up using your university, school or work email address. I have already signed in, so this is going to be the look and feel of Power BI Service Portal. Power BI has two different versions. One is on-premise, another is a cloud-based solution. So the one you are looking over here, it's a cloud-based solution. Most of the people around the world work only on the cloud-based solution, not on the on-premise one. Now, secondly, if you really like to learn DAX, because DAX is the most important part of this certification exam. For that, what you can do, you can simply come on this website, dax.guide, and over here you are going to find all those DAX functions, what does that mean, how to use it, etc. And it's one of the finest websites that you can go. Later on, you can also see there is an example for each DAX functions and you can try it yourself. So you can simply click on this try button and then it's going to open another website, which is dax.do. Here you can practice your DAX. So this is another question most of the people are asking me, and here's your answer. You can also see the data model if you would like to. What is the data model? And when you are going to go through this course, you would also get to know what is the data model, how to do data modeling in Power BI, how to implement row-level security, how to write a DAX, what is the difference between a measure and a calculated column, and much more. You would learn how to design your report. Everything is provided for you in this tutorial. There's also a little bit of caveat over there. There's some of the videos where people have expressed their concern or the feedback that they didn't like the background music. Well, guys, those videos have been published long time back, and now I cannot remove them from here. Otherwise, I'm gonna lose my all the views or the comments over there, which we really don't want to do that. You can still watch those videos, and those videos have a great content. Just focus on the content, not on the background music. But eventually we realize that, and then there are no more background music in our upcoming videos or our other videos from except those 3-4 videos. So please bear that with us. And also we acknowledged your feedback. You can also provide the feedback on other videos as well. In case you want to practice some of the simple questions, either you can use this Microsoft website where you have everything over here, or you can also check the links provided in the video descriptions where I have put a special link for you where you get all the exam questions and answers. Well, that's it for this video. I wish you all the very best, and I'm sure you are going to clear your exam in the very first attempt. Many people around the world have cleared their PL300 exam using this playlist, and you can be the next one. Till then, keep exploring the world of data, and I'm going to see you in the next video.